guys, welcome back to Honor Fierce LPS's channel. And if you can see on my neck, and also by the title, today we're going to be making this LPS collar, or you could call it necklace. You could also transform it longer to make some type of headband, which I have somewhere in my bin of clothing. So let's see, just like this one, you can make it into a headband just like this. But today we're just gonna make the collars or necklace. So the things you'll be needing is some wire. It could be any type of wire, just make sure it's bendable. Some scissors, and most importantly, some beads. I have a whole pack that I got for my birthday. So yeah, so let's get started. First you're gonna pick out first you're gonna get your wire, and you're gonna cut a little off. So I've already done that, but I've lost that. So let's just cut it about to here. So that's how, and then now you're gonna I'm just gonna take this one off. Now you're gonna measure this cord. It should be a tiny bit bigger than what its actual size is. So, see? Okay, so this is good. And now you're just gonna not pinch, but take one side, and you can use tweezers for this, but I don't have tweezers right now, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. So you're gonna bend it to make some type of curl thing, and then so you're gonna bend it to make that on the end. And now you're gonna take your beads and make a pattern out of them. So I'm just gonna try to get it open, and then take this plastic off. Okay, and now we're gonna start placing our beads. So let's see. I'm gonna use this bead, this blue turquoise-ish blue bead. So I'm just gonna set it right there. And I'm actually gonna put more for this. Okay, so I have this. And now you're gonna I like to make patterns. So let's take this lime green bead. And what about these clear beads? So I'm just gonna make a pattern out of those 3 beads, I guess. You could, actually, maybe not. You could make more. You can make it like a AB pattern, or an ABC, or an ABCD. You could make it any type of pattern, just go creative. So I'm just gonna pick this dark blue. I'm just gonna thread that dark blue right through, and then just leave it at the end. Simple as that. And now I'm gonna take, actually, do you know what would look so good with this blue? A clear, yeah. I'm gonna use this clear bead for the second one. So just find the hole, and make sure it's these tiny beads, because if you use the big beads, then it won't really fit on your LPS very well, and you'll have to make the cord bigger. So now we're do this. It takes a long time to do, a few minutes or so to do this. Oops. So, I don't have any editing, so programs or anything, so I have to do this fast, but not in time lapse. Just in video. So, keep on doing this. Keep on doing this process until you reach the end, but not the very end. You could skip this part and skip forward the video, but yeah, you could skip a bit of the video, just a little bit to. Oh man. Okay. You could skip this video a little bit to get to know what's next, because I'm taking a really long time to get just this one bead through. It really helps if you already set down your pattern. Sorry for the noise in the background. I don't know if you can. So there's that pattern, and just keep on going until you reach about up to here. And now you're going to do that same thing you did at this side. You're going to curl it a little. I think a rounded tip would help, like a paintbrush tip. But I don't have a paintbrush right now. So just round that tip a little bit, just like that. And there you go. You have your necklace. But but as you can see, I can't curl. I didn't curl this enough, so all the beads went through, but that's fine. And now you've got your straight line necklace. Now you're going to curve it to make it look like a necklace. Okay. And so now you're going to put it on your OPS, which mine is my Collie OPS. So that's what it looks like on my Collie. It looks really cute, I think. And you can always just take it off by just pulling it off like that. It's super easy to make, and you could get all of these things from the dollar store. Obviously, you can get scissors from the dollar store, beads from the dollar store. I got basically all of these from these things from the dollar store. I don't know where my friends got these for my birthday, but this pack of beads, but I'm pretty sure Toys R Us. So you could buy anything from Toys R Us or even dollar store. So yeah, it's pretty cheap in all one. You could find anything in the dollar store basically that you need here. I don't know if they sell wire anymore at the dollar store, but it was really cheap. So yeah. Bye guys. Subscribe. If you liked it, comment down below your little experiences with this necklace making. And if you really liked it, then totally feel free to like this video. And if you really loved it, then totally subscribe. So, bye guys.